Hey guys, I have a really quick, simple DIY for you today. You just need a mason jar. You can get one of these at Dollar Tree, or you can use a jar that you have on hand at home. And I've just got these red stickers from Dollar Tree. I'm going to spell out Merry Christmas. And after that, we will be using some glue and Epsom salt. Now I'm just going to take some of this glue and pour it in, and I'm going to use a sponge brush and go around, make sure you get all the inside of the jar with some glue on it. Then you'll pour in some Epsom salt and roll it around until it's completely covered inside. I like to use the Epsom salt inside the jars instead of outside, because on the outside it just seems to be a big mess. So I did wrap some jute twine around it, and I'll also wrap some of the Dollar Tree lace around. And these little twine flowers I picked up at Hobby Lobby on clearance, and I'm just going to put one on the front of the jar. I'm using a color changing light from Dollar Tree. It is the battery operated, and I'll try to show you what it looks like here. Then I'm just going to put it in the jar and display it for you. Here it is, guys. I wish it was darker so you could see better, but I believe you can see the colors changing. We have red, and then it will go to green, blue, and purple. Just really, really cute. So I hope you enjoyed day 11. Tomorrow is day 12. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks to my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.